Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Ford Ranger. So first thing we do, go to settings, Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on. Then we're watching out for it at the bottom. Over to the system, you'll see the home button there. Up in the corner is pair a phone already, but if I click the home button, then you've got the phone, controls navigation, climate and entertainment. So we want phone. Click phone.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
That's clear enough. I'm just going to turn this up. So it's found sync. That's because there's no phones in the car.
The pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
It's automatically searched for a phone because there's no phones in the car that it will pair to. So does it match 469535? It does. So that's pair, and click yes there. Sorry, yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Sync's connected there. Just sit there, and the system's just thinking about it. Auto phone book download on, and voicemail number, it's showing my number. So yep, that's okay. So we'll click apply. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio in this 2017 Ford Ranger. So onto your music. This is the record playing. If you look at the bottom there, the silver triangle and the 3 silver circles, if I click on that, it shows you at this moment in time you have a choice between to connect to iPhone or play through the iPhone or sync. There's a tick next to sync. If there's no tick next to sync, just click it like so. That's it. And then over here we need media. You've got Bluetooth devices, that's where it was paired, so we want media. So if I click the home button there, you've got entertainment here, entertainment, and then along the left hand side it gives you what you can use this to play. AM, FM, DAB, CD, USB. We click the down arrow and then it brings you onto SD card, line in, and you'll see my phone there. So if I click my phone, that's it.
Code, it's not about the salary, it's
catchy. Not my usual style of record, but really catchy. So that's how you play music or stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 Ford Ranger. It's not very intuitive at all. From any screen there, we're in music. So you click the home button, click home. You've got navigation up here, phone, entertainment, climate, and navigation. We want navigation. And you know, looking at that, again, it's not clear. You've got destination up here and menu. So onto destination. My home favorites, previous destinations, place of interest, emergency, and address. So we want address. Click address. Not very intuitive again. And this, it's actually on postcode there, but sometimes you'll click on it and it'll say town. So then you have to start entering the town and the street and the number and so on. So you see that, the little yellow button, click on town. That's postcode, but nothing's come up. Well, nothing's come up because it's gone to 123. So you have to press ABC. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. Now we have to press the 123 for the numbers. Click 123. PR5. It's not letting me do anything else. That's because I need to put a space in because we've only got 2 numbers in our postcode. So PR54. Now we have to click back to ABC there. Click on ABC. A. So nothing's showing up again. You know, it's like a scratching my head moment. But you see here 2 and an arrow. What you do there, it's actually giving you 2 choices. It's giving you 2 choices of the same place. It's both PR54EA, but that says Higher Walton GBR and that says Preston GBR. It's the same place. So we'll click on that, Higher Walton. So right, so street, now you can either type it all in again, or you'll see there 2 and an arrow again. Click on the 2 and an arrow and it gives you 2 choices. Blackburn Road. That's it. So it's auto filled in Blackburn Road. Address range does not exist. That's because there's not a number put in. We've no number here. But now you're onto this screen. Set as destination, set as waypoint, save to favourites. We want to set as destination. Just thinking about it, calculating the route, and now after we've done all that, no sat nav. I've changed my mind. It's just taken me half an hour to program you. I've decided I don't want to go anymore because I haven't got enough time. But so start route.
The route guidance will start now.
Now also, honestly, it couldn't be more counterintuitive. There's the little speaker there with an X, and sometimes if the yellow light's on, the speaker is off, so nothing happens. You don't hear any instructions. So you have to make sure that there's no yellow light on, and it's working. That's how you do it. Sorry for the long-winded explanation, but it really is one of the most awkward sat navs I've ever used, and I'm amazed at Ford because usually Ford, everything is perfect. The new sync system, it's just right. So I hope that explains it, because I know there's going to be a lot of people out there having loads of trouble with this. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Ford Ranger. So from any screen, that's on sat nav at the moment. We want to go to phone. You see in the top there, you've got connect to phone. There's nothing connected to it, but we go to home here. You go to home again. You've got phone there in the top. Click on phone. Barry's iPhone. Add device, connect, info, or delete. That's the only phone. It would give you a list of phones that are available. So here we go. That's the phone I want to delete. It's already highlighted. If not, you just touch the phone that was the one you wanted to delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, yes. That's it gone.